Hey everyone, I'm here with the Nature Box welcome box. You get kind of like a little welcome package when you sign up. This isn't the full box, this is like a little mini sample preview of what they are about. Pretty nice box. And there is a welcome to Nature Box. Snacking should be fun, wholesome, vibrant, and most of all delicious. We thoughtfully source only the tastiest, high quality ingredients to craft deliciously distinctive snacks that you can find at Nature Box. So you are able to choose your snacks every month. If you don't, it defaults it to you. You can lock in snacks so that if there's something that you like, it sends it to you every month automatically. You can also add more. So you can easily add a couple more snacks. If you're just a really laid back person or you can't make up your mind, feel free to roll the dice. There's a non-GMO vegan section, gluten section. So there's also a 100-calorie section, I believe. So whatever your needs are, you can just put it in there and boom. I just opened the vegan cuts box, and if you're interested to see what's in that one, that's linked down below. Also keep your eyes out. I have an earth box coming, so if you want to see what's in that, keep your eyes open. I know slightly more for Canada, so I'll put that price here. So that is what the pamphlet looks like. I have Nature Box Garden Tomato Crunchies, tomato flavored almonds, and it comes in their package. I don't know if I really should be showing you the packages because they all look the same. So they look like, so it's crushed almonds in large pieces. I do like almonds personally, but to me the tomato flavor is a little bit lost. And I don't know if it's just me, but I can taste when nuts are a little bit stale. And these kind of seem like that to me, which isn't surprising because they're crushed. Guess I'm getting all picky up in here. Okay, so next I have the cranberry medley, pomegranate and acai. Oh, I hate it when that freaking berry comes up. Acai, frick. Okay, so cranberry medley, pomegranate and acai, frick. Acai. Again. Acai. See? Cranberry medley, pomegranate and acai, flavored dried cranberries with blueberries. Concord. Okay, so I was so concerned about that word that I didn't actually really comprehend what I was saying. So it is a berry blend. Pretty good, pretty sweet cranberry medley. I would actually think that it'd be a tiny bit more tart, to tell you the truth. But it is good. I would actually really enjoy that on a salad with some goat cheese. Ooh, next I have jalapeno cashews. Yes, I do. Hopefully I am more impressed with these. Look like cashews to me. The cashewiness is kind of disappears with the spiciness, but they're not that spicy. I might just keep that idea in my back pocket because I think I like them. Next is sea salt sun crunch, sunflower and sesame seed crackers, and they are these little crunchy joys. This one is actually on point. It says sea salt, sunflower and sesame crackers, and that is exactly what they are. Each one of those are hit individually and taste good. Very good. And that's the good thing about this little welcome basket. I would have never thought to pick these up. Last but not least, I have peanut butter Nom Noms mini peanut butter oat cookies. It's a fine line in between cutting enough so the plastic is open and so you can still have like plastic to open close to the zipper. I tell ya, first world problems. So it looks like this. one of these is a serving size and it's 100 calories. The lure to these is that they have kind of that raw cookie dough appeal. Very soft. I'm not even sure if these are cooked, to be honest. And the peanut butter is very underwhelming, which I enjoy because I'm not a huge fan of peanut butter flavor that is really strong. These are very good and satiating. I can see that you would only need a couple of these to snack on, or 4 of these to complete a whole meal. Thanks for watching. I'll put my food playlist down below. Keep your eyes out for my earth box and my next nature box as well. And I have my food playlist down below. Thanks for watching and I'll see you guys next time. Love yous. Mwah.